YouTube? It's your boy Lucky Donnie. We going to one of the biggest car meets of Michigan. A little street takeover. It's not a takeover. That's just what they call it. Thing is, I might be going alone. I called everybody up. They busy, and I can't be mad at that. So, might be going alone. I don't know. I gotta see. If y'all looked at the last video, I just got these 275s. I want to go bigger. I want to go 305s in the back. If y'all watched my last vlog, I did bust a tire. That's crazy. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that shit. God damn! But my man shit didn't shred it. But we did get that taken care of, so I'm no longer on 2 mixed match wheels. The 20s no longer in the front. The 20s are actually in my girl car over there. Psych, I ain't going by myself. Got my little man's here. Say what up, Josiah. Hell yeah. See? What the fuck you looking at? Go on.
I'm just watching.
Go on. You abandoned us. Father-son vlog today. Let's go in with this cold start. Come on, man. $2 for some air is crazy, dude. Oh no, that shit say $250. Oh hell no. Little blue Mustang. I call him Blue Ball. Let's see if he say what up. Oh, he would. He said what up. That was my mission accomplished right there. I don't record meets no more just because I feel like it's 1,000 people recording the same content. But yeah, man, I'd rather like record like POV drives, you know, like my shenanigans. She said light it up. But yeah, like you already gone. What was I saying? Fuck. But I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. Should I start recording back meets? I feel like I got a logical reason to why I don't record meets anymore. Hope nobody asked me to do a burnout. I just got these tires. And I'm easily persuaded. Kids. They kids love it. Let me see. Oh shit, my son in the back. I ain't doing nothing too crazy, y'all. So, like I said, I got my son in the back, so. And he's asleep. This sucks. Oh! Let me not wake him up. Fucking demon. So, mopar, so. They are so clicked up, it's crazy.
Hey, pat, motherfucker. Pat that bitch in. Pat it.
Turbo move, G. Oh, I thought my transmission broke. Bet y'all boys ain't got one of these. Bah. Y'all boys can't do this. You mopar owners can't do that. Out the back though. Saw Josh. Damn, I can't drive this motherfucker. This motherfucker harder than a Mustang to drive. I saw Josh fucking track car over there. I was cruising with that boy yesterday in his Lambo. Yeah, we gotta chill here cause it's loud as hell. And I ain't trying to mess up his hearing or nothing. So we just gonna watch the cars go by while chilling on my car. I think that'd be pretty dope.
12 seconds later.
You ready for a little song? Give me a couple go around. That Russian green fire. Ain't gonna lie. Huh? He said what? So I texted him that I'm right behind him. I wondered when he gonna notice. He said, oh, nice. See, funny how the stuff works, man. Hey, nice color, man. They do a burnout. Should I do one? Should I do one? Let me see.
Get somebody else to do it.
I kind of feel embarrassed. I didn't have the tragic off. Ah, that's funny. Nah, that bitch pretty loud. Yeah, it's kind of loud, ain't it? There y'all go. My fault. My fault. I had to at least get one burnout. One.
Way better, bro.
That was dope. that was the only one, I promise. We ain't gonna do it no more. Come on, man. I love my son. Oh. Hey. I was like, who the hell called my name? Alright guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get my son home because it is 7:40 and I ain't trying to have him while I'm doing reckless stuff. So that's about as much as I'm gonna do with the car, with him in the car anyways. And I ain't trying to make this a long and boring video. So hopefully y'all like it. Y'all commenting and subscribing. Like I said, man, be active. It helps the channel grow if y'all want to see y'all boy grow.